One of the best ways to take a healthy attitude towards the cold winter months is to read a good book. Let me show you one of the best resources I know for finding just the right thing. This is our library website, doorcountylibrary.org. You can also find these databases through infosoup.org, our library catalog, but I like to use our Reader's Resources link. In this link, we have all sorts of really good sites for finding books, but down here is Novelist, which is a database provided by the state of Wisconsin through BadgerLink. When you click this link at home, you may have to put in your library card to access the database, but once you get there, I would recommend going to Browse by Appeal. And under that, you'll see there are some suggestions: character-driven, heart-wrenching, darkly humorous and compelling, creepy, atmospheric. But what I like to do on a cold winter night is put in a couple of tones that are very positive. So I put in, let's say, heartwarming, and I'll put in another tone, and we'll say upbeat. Then when I click Find Titles, it'll give me some suggestions of books that might fit this kind of mood. I can click on View All, and it'll give me a whole long list of very popular books. You can see they have really good ratings, and if you click on the title, you can find out more about the books. There are reviews, there are read-alike books over on the right, and you should be able to click on this link and go straight to the InfoSoup catalog and find the book. So play around with it, try different tones, and see what you come up with. If you need any help, let me know. I love helping people walk through these databases. Thank you.